As an island people, Cebuanos are no strangers to maritime activities. This was evident due to our Austronesian roots. Around the 12th century BCE, Austronesian peoples began to settle around the Philippine archipelago, bringing with them their boat building and seafaring practices. By the 10th century CE, Cebuanos have built their livelihood around the waters. The Sakayan is a small double outrigger boat used by Cebuano fishermen and seafarers. Like most Austronesian boats, the hull of the Sakayan had 5 parts. The bottom part consists of a single piece of hollowed-out log. At the sides were 2 planks, and 2 horseshoe-shaped wooden pieces formed the prow and stern. These were fitted tightly together, edge to edge, with lugs, dowels, and lashings. They formed the shell of the boat, which was then reinforced by horizontal ribs. The absence of central rudders meant that steering was done using an oar on one side. The simple design of the Sakayan was derived from variations of pre-colonial ships like the Balangay boats and the Caracoa warships. Both ships have the distinct double outriggers on the sides. This ingenious motive of Austronesian origins made it possible for these maritime vessels to travel farther into the sea. But unlike the Caracoa, which had sails, the Balangay ships and Sakayans rely on wooden oars known as Bugsay to help wade the boats into the waters. But most Sakayan today now use motor engines located at the stern. This innovation helped fisherfolks travel long distances in the sea, especially for inter-island travel. The ingenuity of boat makers made it possible for Cebuanos to make a livelihood out in the sea. But the Sakayan is not only just a marine transportation, it is a symbol of the Cebuanos' ties to the sea.